Jai Hind everyone, welcome to Indian Defence News English, and let's take a look at today's major defence updates.
The Aeronautical Development Establishment, which is a premier laboratory under India's Defence Research and Development Organization, is advancing efforts to refine the design of experimental unmanned aerial vehicle through a comprehensive arrestor barrier landing analysis. This analysis will focus on ensuring the safe recovery of unmanned aerial vehicle during operations, particularly in constrained environments such as short runways or emergency landings. The study will involve the use of advanced finite element modeling technique and material characterization to simulate the forces exerted on the unmanned aerial vehicle during an arrestor barrier landing. The Ministry of Defence has granted the acceptance of necessity for the Indian Army's ambitious future-ready combat vehicle program. This marks a significant step towards replacing the aging fleet of Russian-supplied T-72 main battle tanks with a new generation of domestically developed main battle tanks by 2030 onwards. The FRCV program will leverage a unique procurement model known as Development Cum Production Partner Model. This model, categorized under Make One Initiative of Defence Acquisition Procedure, involves government funding of up to 90% of the project for design and development. The Ministry of Defence will partner with the two entities, one from the public sector and one from the private sector, to form the DcPP. Both companies will develop prototype based on the winning design, with each potentially incorporating minor engineering modification. Following a rigorous 3-year trial period, the superior design will be selected for mass production. In a recent showcase, Harshvardhan Thakur, the chief test pilot at Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, presented a 3D rendering of 3 significant Indian-made training aircraft. These aircraft represent the future of pilot training in the Indian Air Force and aim to replace the older models. The first aircraft showcased was the HAT-40, which is a Stage 1 basic trainer aircraft designed and built by Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. The HAT-40 is intended to provide the initial flight training to aspiring pilots. Its advanced features and modern avionics make it more suitable platform for imparting fundamental flying skills. The second aircraft is the IJT-36, which is a Stage 2 intermediate jet trainer developed by Aircraft Research and Design Center, also known as ARDC. The IJT-36 is designed to bridge the gap between basic training and advanced jet fighter training with its more powerful engine and enhanced capabilities. The IJT-36 will prepare pilots for complexities of modern combat aircraft. The third aircraft is the HLFT-42, which is a supersonic trainer jet that is still in development. This advanced trainer will likely to be used for Stage 3 training, providing pilots with the skills necessary to operate high-performance fighter jet. The HLFT-42's supersonic capabilities and cutting-edge technology will make it a valuable asset for the Indian Air Force. Indian defense experts are urging the government to prioritize developing its own fighter jet instead of locally manufacturing foreign aircraft under the MRFA tender. Ranesh Rajan, who is a prominent analyst, spoke to the media, highlighting the critical need of Indian alternative to the French Rafale fighter jet, which the Indian Air Force desires. Rajan argues that simply manufacturing foreign fighter jet under license like Rafale offers minimal benefit to the Indian aerospace industry. Local manufacturing of any foreign fighter jet under the MRFA tender will not teach Indian industry anything. He said, India stands at a crosswind in fighter jet development. They have successfully developed the 4.5 generation Tejas Mark 1A and are progressing on Mark 2, which is a larger variant of Tejas Mark 1A that will solidify their position among the elite jet producing nations. Additionally, India's ambitious AMCA program for the 5th generation fighter jet promises to place them alongside a handful of countries with such advanced technology. According to prominent defense journalist Ananthakishnan Amsar, both squadrons of Tejas fighter jet currently stationed at Air Force Station Solur are grappling with significant maintainability issues. Sources have confirmed to Mr. Krishnan that certain components within the Tejas are experiencing recurring problems. The Indian Air Force operates 2 Tejas Mark 1 squadrons, each consisting 16 jets. These aircraft recently participated in the exercise Tarang Shakti 2024, which is one of the largest multinational exercises conducted by the Indian Air Force in Jodhpur. Mr. Krishnan also said, please note that these are common issues fighter jet squadrons face the world over.